Sam here from Creative Minds. In this video, we're taking a look at a WordPress plugin that allows you to aggregate tweets from various Twitter accounts all in one list that can be added to any post or page on your WordPress site. You can tag tweets as well as search and filter the list and customize its appearance. Let's check it out. So here's an example of what that aggregator is going to look like. And you can search the list based on any keyword, and only those tweets including that specific keyword will appear. You can also filter the list of tweets by source. When you click on a tweet, it'll automatically bring you to Twitter with that particular tweet on display. So this is a great tool to show content from different sources on Twitter, all in one list. So now let's take a look from the backend how we create this aggregator. So in the plugin, you can define several different categories, and these are in fact the sources of the tweets. For each source, for example, WordPress.org, you can define the Twitter source that corresponds with that particular category. And you can also define keywords for that category. And that means that if someone searches for this keyword, all of the tweets coming from this account will appear in your stream. Additionally, you can define exclusion keywords, and that means exactly the opposite. So if someone searches for these keywords, these particular tweets from this account will not be included in the search results. Next, you can filter all of the tweets found in any particular stream, and you can delete them if you would like. For example, if there's a particular tweet that you don't want to appear in your list, you can just refer to that list of tweets and manually delete it. Next, you can define tags. On the aggregator list, the tags are shown next to tweets. In this particular case, the only tag we have is for new tweets, but you can automatically assign tags based on keywords. You can easily define a new tag, and only when those specific keywords that you add to that tag appear in the tweet will this particular tag appear on the list. Also, the plugin includes a lot of different options for customization. You can play around and customize the plugin's appearance, including background colors. You can define how many columns appear in the list, how many tweets will appear in each category. And another important thing after you set up the Twitter API is to define the language of the tags, and you can also decide if you want to exclude replies and include retweets. There's no better solution to aggregate tweets from multiple sources on your WordPress site. Visit cminds.com to download the plugin today.